Jetzt
So
sag
what
mal,
we-
das schmeckt.
So what we do next is,
It looks like spinach. Boah.
was?
I'm really... Oh, there's more coconut milk going in.
No, that's the Mandeldrink milk.
Oh,
Nuts milk.
mandel.
So this is the rest of the coconut water. Finished with that.
Bye bye.
And now, last time I did it was it was not what do you call it? I don't even know the German word for it. It was too flüssig. It was too
Liquid.
and you have to make it more smoothie. That
like
really
it.
looks good.
It looks like a brye. And then this, what is
So
this?
wait.
Wait.
So we're gonna now we have to clean up the bowl first. So
This is from NutriBullet.
yes, NutriBullet sent us
The
over.
best way to make your own smoothies.
Yes, NutriBullet sent over 10 of these in all the colors.
But this is no
So I can-
advertisement.
No, yeah. Well, send it over. We're gonna give it away to our fans. Yeah, we need our first Gewinnspiel, winning competition. Winning competition. We need 10 NutriBullets to give away. Yeah, for our fans. Yeah.
Then you cannot only follow us, but do the same what we do.
Yeah. So what we do next is the smoothie bowl is actually ready. If you can see. Can you see it?
It's
So-
fully in the film.
So the next thing is we're gonna place on the like this on the top. What we also need is some Kokosraspel.
Coconut,
Coconut raspel, whatever.
raspel.
What do you call it in English? It's ungesüßt.
So it's
It's
not
controlled,
sweetened. Not
it is-
sweetened. So from Thailand.
So
A good friend from Thailand.
see, I'm too stupid. I'm even too stupid to open it. So we are not the chefs in the kitchen yet, but we will get it. So the next thing is we do it like this,
It looks quite nice.
and
So
now
it's like Italy.
what I do next is Bela cannot eat that.
No,
Yeah,
but I'm
because Bela is
allergic
allergic
against
on
Kiwis.
stupid father is allergic. No, not stupid father. Useless father is allergic.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're doing a YouTube channel here, are getting world famous, and our son is, can you please tell a bit later? Because I have to watch television. He's watching the telly, you know? We're getting world famous with our YouTube channel. It's our first day. It's our first videos we're gonna post. So I have no idea if you do a kiwi like this. I did it like this. So why do I do this? Because this is the last part of the bowl, which I'm gonna eat it like this. Bela gets it without. What you also can get on that is you can put some nuts on it, like Mandelsplitter. I tried to get it in the supermarket, but I didn't have it.
Yeah.
So
It looks fantastic.
it looks fantastic.
great.
That's the bowl. That's the bowl.
The question is how it tastes.
That's the bowl. I think it's gonna taste fantastic. It's gonna have everything in it. It's gonna be very what do you call
Healthy.
it? Healthy. It
Healthy.
has
Tasty,
Vogelsalat. It has everything on it, so it's fine. It's gonna be fantastic.
I think in the next lesson we have to tell the people what Vogelsalat is. It's a specialty
Is it?
in Austria.
Is
In Germany it's called Feldsalat. So because it's out from outside, so the Acker, yeah.
Okay.
And, yeah.
So that's it. Make a picture. No, make a picture of that.
Ah,
So we
okay.
have it for the.
So